Hello everyone, this is Ishwarya, Assistant Professor of Department of Civil Engineering from King's College of Engineering. So now let us see the topic, what is drainage in buildings and plumbing system for drainage. So what is mean by drainage system? The arrangement which is provided in the housing or a building which is used for collecting or conveying the wastewater through the pipes by action of gravity, which may join to the public sewer or domestic septic tanks, is termed as house drainage or building drainages. So before going to that, we need to know the terms which is related to drainage system. So first thing is wastewater. So it is very similar to us. So wastewater may be formed from various portions like domestic, commercial, industrial, which is received as an impurities water and collected into particular portions. So this may contain impurities of physical and chemical and then biological, etc. So this is known as wastewater. So in wastewater, we are going to classify based on its content. So first thing is sewage. Sewage is a wastewater which comes from WC means western closets, which may contains human excreta, is known as sewage. And next thing is sewage. Sewage is nothing but the wastewater which comes from bathrooms and then kitchens, which does not makes bad odor. That water is known as sewage water. So sometimes it is also known as grey water. So next one is drainage system. The entire pipe system of the line which is providing for water supply or sewage is known as, that system is known as drainage system. So next term is Siever. So Siever is nothing but the pipe which carries sewage or wastewater is known as Siever. This is a simple house drainage system. So here this is house and here we have roof drainage. This is foundation drains and finally it is collected as sanitary sewer level, and this one is access manholes. This is catch basins, and finally it is sent to sanitary sewer. So the sewer which connects immediately from the house to the public is known as lateral sewer, and this is used to collect the roof water into separate pipes is known as roof drain. This is used for accessing that is specially constructed in order to operate and maintain purposes is known as access manholes. So next term is soil pipes. This pipes carries only sewage. That pipes is known as soil pipe. So here it is drawn in terms of yellow color. So it is a soil vent and branch pipes. And next one is vent pipe. So vent means nothing but ventilation. So here the pipe which is used for circulation of air for drainage system is known as vent pipes. Next thing is waste pipe. Waste pipe is nothing but the pipe which carries sewage water which comes from bathrooms, kitchens, sink and wash basins is known as waste pipes. So this is a typical layout. So here we have roof vent, that is vent pipes, and then fresh air inlets. So here the toilet connecting pipes is known as soil pipes. This is known as traps. So based on the shape it is classified. And this one is house drainage and clean out plugs. This is called P-traps. So next one is sewerage system. The system of sewerage is arranged at different types and its size in a town for collecting wastewater from the town, and it carries into the wastewater system plants is known as sewerage system. And next thing is sanitary sewer. The sewer pipes which carries only sewage is known as sanitary sewer. And next thing is storm sewer. Storm sewer is nothing but which carries rainwater is known as storm sewer. Next thing is building sewer. It is a part of drainage system from the building to the public or private or individual sewer disposal system is known as building Siever system. So examples of the diagram. So here left side is indicating sanitary Siever and right side indicates storm water. Storm water, if it is carried separately, the storm water can be drained directly to the water areas like lakes, river, ocean, like that. But the sanitary Siever must be sent to the treatment plants. So next thing is components of drainage system. So first one is traps. Traps is a U-shaped structure which is used for water seal. So this seal is used to prevent the Siever gases which is passing from drainage pipes back into the occupied space of the building. Essentially, all plumbing fixtures includes sinks, bathtubs, toilets must be equipped with either an internal or external traps. So based on its shape, it can be classified into three types, that is P traps, Q traps and S traps. P traps is used at the exit into the wall behind the sink, and Q traps is used in toilets under the water closet, and S traps is usually used with siphonage pipes. So next thing is flow traps, otherwise locally it is called as nanny traps. So it is used to admit the sullage which is produced from bathrooms and then floor of rooms, kitchens, which may produce sullage pipes. This pipes is provided which may be made up of cast iron, stainless steels, even PVCs, like that, like grating like structure, that entry of large particles is prevented in order to avoid the blockages. So next one is gully traps. Gully traps are provided at the junctions of roof drains and other sullage pipes. So that one is called as gully traps. So first diagram indicates the gully traps. So next one is intercepting traps. Intercepting traps is provided at the junction of house Siever and municipal Siever in order to avoid foul gases which enters into the house drainage systems. So this second diagram indicates the intercepting traps. So next thing is basic principles of drainage system. So how the drainage system should be laid, that principle is indicated here. The house drainage system should be laid at the side of the building. Why means in order to facilitate for easy repairing and better maintenance purposes. So the second thing is the sewage or either sullage should flow under the flow of gravity, or else we need another structure to flow. So to avoid that, this flow must be natural, that is force under gravity. So next thing is the house Siever should always be straight. Why means if there is any bend means the clogging of Siever may occur. So in order to avoid that, the pipeline should always be straight in manner. The entire system should be well ventilated from starting point to the end point. So next thing, the house Siever should be connected to manhole such that invert level must be sufficiently maintained in order to avoid backflow of sewage into the Siever systems. Where the change in directions, if there is any change in direction of Siever, there must be an inspection chambers which should be intimated at junctions. So next thing is house Siever must always be leak proof, or else it may create some other problems like odor problem or disease like spreading, or how mosquitoes breedings, like that. So next one is rainwater from roof must not be allowed to flow through the house Siever. It must be having separate drains, that is roof drains must be connected separately. So based on this, we are going to see the types of drainage systems. So first one is single stack system. So based on the terms what we have learned before, so based on that we are going to apply here. in this system only one vertical soil pipes is used. Okay, so soil pipe means what? Which carries only waste from water closet. So the waste from all sanitaries and soil applicants are discharged in the same pipes. So here we don't have any sullage pipes separately. So wastewater and soil water must be entirely collected by single pipe. So there is no ventilation for this type of system. So that system is known as single stack system. So example of this single stack system. So here you can see ground floor, first floor and second floor. This one is one vertical pipeline known as wastewater pipes, and this one is roof, where WB means wash basin and WC means water closet, kitchen sink, and then tubs. All are connected into a single pipes. So here there is no ventilation or else sullage pipes. So it is having only one pipe which is connected for entire drainage system is known as single stack system. So next one is one pipe system. So in this system, the waste connection from sink, bath, the waste wash basins and soil pipes which are connected directly to the drainage system. But all the traps of wash basins are completely ventilated to preserve water seal by separate vent. So here what they are saying is every pipes are connected in before method, but here only changes is the traps of water closet is having ventilation pipes alone. So that pipes is known as one pipe system. So let us look into this diagram. So in one pipe system we have ventilating pipe. This line diagram indicates ventilating pipe, and this double line indicates waste pipes. Okay, so here what they are informing is every pipelines, that is water closet, must be connected to this ventilating pipe. Apart from the others, everything is connected into waste pipes. So this system is known as one pipe system. So next one is two pipe system. In this plumbing system, two pipes are installed, that is water closet and urinals are connected to vertical soil pipes, baths, kitchens, basins, that is kitchen basins, etc. are connected to another separate pipes. So soil pipes and waste pipes are provided with separate ventilation pipes. So let us look into the diagram for two pipe system. So here we can see one pipe indicates waste pipe and another pipe indicates soil pipe. So both pipes have individual ventilating pipes. So totally we have two types of system. So this is known as two pipe system. So waste pipe which carries sullage water and soil pipes which carries sewage water. So both pipes are ventilated separately. Thus that is known as two pipe system. And last one is one pipe partially ventilated system. So here there is only one soil pipe into which all water closet, bath, sink and wash basins discharges. In addition to that, relief vent pipes which ventilates only for traps of water closets and urinals. So that system is known as one pipe partially ventilated. Partially means it is ventilated only for soil pipes. That is known as relief vent for water closet and urinals. So here they have indicated one pipes which is connected for all the systems, that is both for sewage and sullage. But the ventilating pipes are used in order to provide ventilation for especially water closets and urinals. So this one is known as one pipe partially ventilated system. Thank you.